Okay, tonight's attempted repair is a user came to me and said, "Oh my gosh, I hit my USB with my knee and I cracked it. And it has, I don't know, some very crucial data on there. So maybe some homework assignments, I don't know, something that's going out of his mind trying to get back." So what we're going to attempt to do, what happened is it cracked the circuit, and it's micro miniature. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is pretty darn small. And what I have to try to do is tack onto the legs of that chip. USB is very simple. Looking at that angle, you have data plus, data minus, 5 volts and ground. So what I'm going to attempt to do here is take some silver wire wrap wire, and I'm going to try to offload the connections here and here to an outboard DC USB style jack without destroying it. Let's see how we do. Okay, the pin I have to try to solder to, counting from the bottom, I know it's not the correct counting procedure, but pin 5, so 5 up from the bottom goes to the, looks so well, it's next to the 5 volts, so that's data plus. The 5 volts is right near where the 0 ohm resistor is there. So that's the 5 volts. Next is data plus, then data minus, and ground. Ground I'm not too worried about. The data plus is really damaged there. Data minus I can try to mend. And power, I'll just run a jumper wire over to that 0 ohm. And that's what it looks like to the layman's eye. I've been down this road before. As I was trying to attach a wire to either of those pins, I've learned stay away from the chip, because I bridged those pins and I successfully unbridged them so they're not shorted out. Now I have to try another plan of attack closer to the connector. Okay, we have our ground connected. Okay, you'll have to take my word for it, but there we are on data 1. I managed to get it on that pin without bridging any of the others. Now I have 1 to go, and then the power. Again, you'll have to take my word for it, but I managed to tack the other data line to just the hair of the cladding that's sticking up in the air off of the board. Okay, here we are. It's a one-shot deal, but I have my power going to the 0 ohm resistor. I have my data plus going to the pin on the chip, and to risk losing that, I soldered the data minus to the piece of cladding sticking out of the board, and over here is the ground going to that capacitor right there. So it's not the prettiest looking thing, but it is connected. I don't even want to get near this, so we're gonna go and try this out. Okay, so I've gone ahead and attached it to a USB extension cord. I'm not so happy with this cord because I think it came from the dollar store. I may have had trouble with it, but I'm going to go ahead and let's hope for the best here. Oh, I want sound. I want to hear it. I want to hear. So there we are, 2 hours later. Let's see if we have a storage. I don't have storage. I hope it's just loading the driver. I don't see anything happening. Don't see it appearing, which is unfortunate. We have a broken wire here. We got it, I think. We're installing driver software. I tacked it onto the hair. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Oh, the mouse is right there.
That's all that's on here? That's not what's on here. Removable disc. Alright. So what we'll do, grab these. What you do here, you hit Alt, brings up your menu bar. We'll go Edit, select all, and quick, grab them, put them somewhere. Over here, we find copy, copy, copy. I think this gentleman will be very happy.